Tired of fumbling with your wallet every time you need to pay? Let's ditch the plastic and add your Halifax card to Google Pay for seamless, contactless payments. First, make sure you have the Google Pay app installed on your Android device. If not, head to the Google Play Store and download it. Once installed, open the Google Pay app. You'll likely see a button that says Add a Card or something similar. Tap on it to begin. Next, select whether you're adding a debit or credit card. This is important for Google Pay to correctly process your transactions. You'll now be given the option to either manually enter your card details or scan your card using your phone's camera. Scanning is usually quicker and more accurate, so give that a try. Just align your card within the frame and let the app do its thing. If scanning doesn't work, or you prefer, you can manually enter your card number, expiry date, CVC, and your name as it appears on the card. Double-check everything to ensure accuracy. Now, for security, Halifax will need to verify your card. This usually involves receiving a verification code via SMS or email. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this process. Enter the code you receive when prompted. Once verified, your Halifax card is now successfully added to Google Pay. You're ready to make contactless payments at millions of stores worldwide. Simply hold your phone near the contactless payment terminal, and you're good to go. Enjoy the convenience of Google Pay.